Hey guys, and welcome to another Vertica tutorial. So we're gonna talk about how can we recover a node after we lose the Vertica catalog photo. For whatever reason, your volume gets corrupted, or some assholes drop your catalog, or whatever. So let's see how Vertica deals with it. It's pretty simple, straightforward. It's actually a built-in functionality which brings it to each. It's a high availability built-in function. So as you can see, we have a 3-node cluster and all the nodes are up. This is the catalog location. As you can see, we're gonna go into it. We're already logged into this node that is node number 3 or 6. What's the name? And let's go and destroy the catalog. There you go. So we're not gonna actually remove it. We're just gonna move it to actually rename it pretty much, which in Vertica's mind it's not there, so it's pretty much corrupted. We can consider it right now. The database is up. It takes probably a couple of seconds for him to realize that something is wrong. So there you go, something is wrong right now. So let me connect again. There you go. Database, there's no connection right now for this host. We can see that the database is still up, but we lost one node. Since we have a 3-node cluster and Vertica, it has high availability through case safety, the database is still up with 2 nodes. So what we can do now, we need to recover it as fast as possible. So we're gonna connect to another node and check the status of the nodes. There you go. We can see that one is down. Node 6 or number 3, how I call it, is my 3rd node. Make it a more legible. All right. And we have a single object there, and we can see that through the fact that the case safety is 1 at that point in time, we can still have access to that object because that object has a body projection sitting all over the cluster. So we're gonna use the admin tool command line to help us with recovering the lost catalog, let's say. So the options are T and restart node. And the secondary option for the restart node, it's you give it the name of the node. In this case, you put the IP of the node, participating node that lost the catalog, the database name, the password of the database. Since it's a demo, I have the same password with this database name, and option F. This option starts auto recovery if necessary, which means that if something is wrong and is not in sync with the other 2 nodes, he will start recovery. There's a small typo there. It's not H, it's actually S. There you go. Fixed it and go back to the log right now, just for and as you can see, he's already creating a new folder. This was not created by us, it was created by him, because he's pretty much recovering based on whatever it's in node 4. And going back and looking at the Vertica log, there you go. The cluster catalog in this node was rebuilt. It was simple as that. When you have a larger node with a bunch of objects and the catalog is big, it might take time. And depending on your case safety, if you lose a node, you might lose the entire cluster. But since our case safety is 1 and we had replicas all over, there you go, all up. So our cluster is back and up and running. So this is a small demo of how you can recover your catalog of a node. and it's pretty straightforward. It's a built-in functionality. I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys have any suggestion, I'm coming up with new videos every week. Just shout me a comment, give me a like. If you like the channel, subscribe. All right, you guys take care, and don't do this in production.